Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Toyota RAV4 Limited. This 4-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 134,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, and moonroof.